Odogun.
Alpha.
Odogun Twali.
What? Odogun. How you doing?
Odogun. I beg. You know how they happen, Odogun. You're not chief. You're not king. You're not God.
I know.
Check. I beg. You know how they be. The hustle I did. Anything for you, boy. Anything I thought. You don't know. Respect, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get much.
Jama! Odogun!
Let's get much
Odogun!
I will give you.
Odogun!
All
this one I be man.
Just fine.
All this one I be man. Odogun!
In the name of Jesus.
Jesus!
Every poverty in my life, in the name of Jesus, I give it out. I give it out in the name of Jesus. Every sudden death, every poverty, every disappointment in my life.
I don't want peace.
I give it out.
I want problems always. God bless you. Odogun, I not get car. That leg I think they walk out. Odogun, accident. Odogun, poverty. Odogun, sickness. Take her. All the carry go. Even the problem. On my side. Odogun, carry go.
You take.
No, you have the carry go.
You don't want to take the money again.
Odogun, you not see me.
Yeah.
You not see me. Yeah. Carry the go. Odogun. Carry the go.
You don't take money.
Carry the go.
You don't take money. Idiot. So you take the big money every year the same thing.
What's up, folks? I want to thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Don't worry, I have a lot of content for you to watch, a lot of interviews, a lot of funny videos, and a lot more things to learn. My YouTube channel is here to educate you and to entertain you. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification button, and stay all tuned. So, all you have to do for me is whenever I put in new videos or whatever, just do me a favor by sharing it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And don't forget, I love you. Stay tuned. It's an opportunity to sign that. Peace.